Here's how to fix FACEIT anti-cheat errors by doing a clean uninstall and removing leftover files. A standard uninstall through add or remove programs often leaves behind registry entries and cached files that continue causing the same error even after you reinstall. That is why the leftover file removal step is just as important as the uninstall itself. Right-click the Windows icon on your taskbar and select Apps and Features. Search for FACEIT and click Uninstall. Wait for it to complete. Now press the Windows key, search for Run, and open it. Type %localappdata% and press Enter. In the folder that opens, press F on your keyboard to jump to the F section and find the FACEIT folder. Right-click it and delete it. This removes all temporary files and cached data that the standard uninstall left behind. Skipping this step is the reason most people reinstall FACEIT and hit the same error again immediately. Restart your PC after both steps before reinstalling. Restarting clears any running processes tied to FACEIT that could interfere with a fresh installation. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.